Hello everyone, welcome to Front and Fun. In this video, we'll be creating single element loader using CSS. Okay, so this is my style.css. I'm using style.css, which is compiled to style.css, and I'm going to use some trigonometric functions. I have copied this from the GitHub. Okay, so all we need is single element inside the body, that is loader. Okay, so div with the div with the class of loader. Now let's target the HTML and the body, and let's give it a height of 100%, and I'm targeting the body in displaying as flex, justify content to center, align items to center, and set some background color. Okay, so my background is black now. Next I'll be creating a variable. So this is a CSS variable. I'm going to give it a size of 0.5 rems, so which will be size of our loader, and we'll target the loader. So I'll be using some Sass functions here. To generate the loader, so I'm targeting the loader. Let's give it a height of size and also the width of size, and set some border radius, so 1 rem, and we'll add some box shadow. So box shadow will be a function which returns the value from the Sass. Okay, and we'll also add some animation here. Okay, so let's add some background color and check. So this is our dot. Fine. So first let's create the function. So I'm going to use at function create loader, which accepts the color, so the color which we want our loader to be. Okay, and distance is the distance from the point, distance between the box shadow element as well as the center. Okay, and shadow count, so this is completely customizable. You can generate the number of shadows you need. So I'm going to generate 12 shadows here. First let's create a variable, that is shadow, and it will be 0 pixel, 0 pixel, and 0 pixel transparent. So initial will be a transparent shadow. Next we need some angle here. So angle will be 360 degrees divided by number of shadow counts. So if the shadow count is 12, then it will be something like 360 divided by 12. Okay, and I'm going to use for loop here for $I from 1 through shadow count. So first let me calculate the x value, that is the distance which we passed here, distance times cos of angle times $I. Okay, so I'm creating x and y values using the r cos theta and r sin theta formulas here. Distance times sine angle times $I. Okay, so these are basically trigonometric formulas where r cos theta, r is the r cos a, r sin a, so where r is the radius and sine of the angle and cos of the angle. Okay, so we'll append to the original shadow variable here. So what I'm going to do is I'll create some double quotes, and inside the double quotes I'll write the variable shadow, and we need to paste the x value here and y value, and we'll create a RGBA function where it takes the color which we passed there and $I divided by $shadow color, shadow count, sorry. So basically what it does is it will be adding some background color which is opaque at the first and gradually decreases to 0. The RGBA value will be decreased to 0. Fine. And finally we need to return uncoat of the shadow. Okay, so we are having some issue here. Let me check. And I forgot to add. Okay, so the mistake was I forgot to add the I value here. Okay, finally we'll call the create loader function and pass the params. So I'm passing the color as white and the distance will be 1.5 rems and I want 12 shadows. Okay, so as you can see, these are the box shadows generated for the element. So this is our loader and these are the shadows which we have generated. Fine. Next we'll add some animation. So for that I'll be creating a keyframes animation. So keyframes animation, and I'll set that to apply some transform and rotate 360 degrees. Let's add the animation. So animation. So animation is the name and 1.5 seconds, linear, infinite. Okay. The final thing is we need to remove the background color for the loader. So for the background color I'll just remove this line. Okay, so we are having a single element loader which is generated using CSS. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do watch other videos on my channel. Please share and subscribe. We'll meet again in an exciting tutorial. Take care.